Hey, it's time for a little long roof love. Welcome to another episode of The Story Behind the Car, a 1958 Rambler Cross Country station wagon, and oh, the patina. Man, this thing is cool. So we're at Rusttoberfest. It's in October in Moberly, Missouri, and saw these two wagons. Had to shoot them both, but this one we're just going to feast our eyes on this 58. So 59 and 60 had Rambler across the back tailgate there in big letters and had different taillights. Really a cool 1 year only wagon, and this is just an amazing example of it. And Rusttoberfest just is a fantastic car show because it brings out so many unique and wild vehicles. Check out that swoop down in the roof line, and then you got the roof rack and the two-tone color. And the interior on this thing is very, very nice. Don't know if it's been recovered, but boy, it's been lovingly restored or lovingly taken care of. All four hubcaps and just amazing patina. And look at those the spears on the hood. Thanks again for watching.